Exactly. That's the funny part. Camo. Oh, look, there's somebody right here. Hey, buddy. I gotta tell you something really important. It's really important. It's super important. It's called the crawl. You do this when you're trying to help people, especially if they lose their contacts. Don't forget to use the crawl in many domestic fashions, man. Well, you got nades, man. You gonna throw them at somebody? I don't know if I want to be your friend. Throwing nades at people. You been to Louisville before? Huh? It's pretty cool here, isn't it? Yeah, I'll sit down next to you, man. We'll talk about mining, man.